Have you noticed the retro vintage AI photos trending all over Instagram? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create these viral edits in just one click completely for free. All you need is a clear selfie and your phone. Here is how to do it. First, we will open Google Chrome. Then we will type in the search bar Google Gemini and press enter. Click on here, and I have already signed in. You have to sign in with your Google account. So after signing in, click on the toolbar. Click here on the create images. Now you have to upload your image which you want to change it. So I'm going to just click on add files. From here you can upload your photo. You can also do this same thing in your phone. So I'm now going to take this image. I have taken this full image. You can also take a selfie of yourself. Now I have given this prompt. Just pause this video and take a screenshot of this prompt. Click on submit. So it will take some time to generate. You just have to wait for some time. That's it. In just a few seconds, the AI will give you a fully edited vintage or retro style photo. You can save your result absolutely for free. So as you can see the image here which I have given. The face, the hairs are all same in the image generated here. So in this way, you can create these images for free with using Google Gemini. Now let's create a different image with a different prompt. So now I am going to upload a different image. Let's say I will upload this image and I am going to give a different prompt. So if you want to take this prompt, just pause this video and type it or take a screenshot of this prompt. Click on submit. Wait for some time. So if you want different styles, try using the other prompts I will show in the outro of this video. Just take a screenshot of these prompts and use Google Lens to copy and paste them into Gemini AI. See, it has created the image with beautiful saree with flowers in the hands. So as you can see, our image was like this and it turned it into like this with beautiful sunlight. So create your own trending photos, share them online and let me know how it turned out. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment your favorite effect and subscribe for more easily AI editing tips. See you in the next video.